Hello and welcome to Rhett Rhino. There he is. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Rhett Rhino wants to grow up to be just like his dad. His dad is the sheriff of the African plains. When there is a dispute between a couple of zebras, gazelles, warthogs, or even lions, Rhett's dad comes to the rescue and solves the problem. That's right, there he is. He's a big guy with a big horn. People are going to listen to him because he's the sheriff, right? Okay, so Rhett's dad has been sheriff for 794 days. Let us write that down. And there we have it, 794 days. Now, each day, he has resolved 5,806 disputes. Let's write that down. Bam! There you have it, 5,806 disputes. How many disputes has Rhett Rhino's dad solved in all? Well, my friends, this is a multiplication problem, and we are multiplying 794 by 5,806. So, the very first thing I like to do is always go ahead and write my counting by the numbers down, and I broke it into the 7s, 9s, and 4s. 7s, 9s, and 4s, right? And next, I want to just simply come here and write the 5,806 right up on top, and then I'm going to create two area boxes. Whoops, not two. We've got 3 digits here, right? So I'm going to need 3 area boxes. I'll do that right now. Super! And as you see, I've broken this into 700 plus 90 plus 4. And I'm going to start right here, multiplying 4 times 5,806. 4 times 6. If you don't know your multiplication facts, counting by the numbers is a great strategy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives me 24. I'll drop the 4 and carry the 2. So I'll drop that 4 and I'll carry the 2 right there. Super! Next, I've got 4 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is going to give me 2. So I'm going to simply drop the 2. And next, I move on to 8. Actually, 8 times 4 or 4 times 8. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gives me 32. I will drop the 2 and carry the 3. So drop another 2 there, carry the 3 right there. And now I'm ready for my last multiplication in this area box. 4 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 20, plus this 3 here will give me 23. I'll drop both digits, and now I'm ready to rock and roll and move on to this area box right here. And here we go. First, I'll start with a 0. When 0 times anything will give me 0, so I'm going to drop that 0 right there because the 0 times 5,806 is going to give me 0. It's also a place value holder for the ones column here. Let's move on, and 9 times 6, I come up here and count 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is going to give me 54. I'm going to drop the 4 and carry the 5. Drop that 4, carry the 5 right up there. And now, watch this, it's pretty cool. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 5 will give me 5 right here. So I'll drop that 5 right there and circle it. And now I'm moving on. 9 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is going to give me 72. I'll drop the 2 and carry the 7. So drop that 2 and carry the 7 right up there. And now, 9 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 45. But I've got to add this 7 in. And that is going to give me 52. I'll drop the 2 and the 5. And now I'm ready to rock and roll and move right on down here because this area box is all done. Super! I got 2 zeros here. I know that that's going to give me 2 zeros over here. And now you can think of it this way. 0 times 5,806 is going to give you 0. And this 0 times 5,806 is also going to give you 0. You can also think of this 0 as the place value holder for the ones column, right? And this one here is the place value holder for the tens column. And now I'm on to the hundreds column. So let's rock and roll. And here we go. 7 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is going to give you 42. I'm going to drop the 2 and carry the 4. So drop that 2, carry the 4 right there, and I'm ready to rock and roll. 7 times 0 is going to give me 0, plus this 4 will give me 4. So drop the 4 right there, and then I've got 7 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is going to give me 56. I will drop the 6 and carry the 5. So I'll drop the 6 right here, carry the 5 right there, and now let's move on with 7 times 5. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is going to give me 35, plus this 5 is going to give me 40. I'm going to drop a 0 there and drop my 4 right there, and now I'm all done with all of my multiplication. Now all I have to do is add these bad boys up, and if you notice, these are really neat columns here, right? And that's really important when you're adding and multiplying, even when you're dividing. Really important to have straight columns, my friends. All right, let's move on and add these bad boys up. I've got 4 plus 0 and 0. Actually, let's get a little bit more room here. And that's going to give me 4. So drop my 4 right there. Then I've got 2 plus 4 is going to give me 6. And then I've got these two here. 2 plus 2 is going to give me 4. Plus 5 will give me 9. I'm going to drop my 9 right there. And then I've got right here, 2 plus 3 is going to give me 5. Plus 4 is going to give me another 9. Bam! Gotta love that. And then let's move on. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 6 is going to give me 10. So I'm going to drop my 0 and carry my 1 right there. And then I've got 1 plus 5. That's going to give me 6. Right there. Bam! And then finally, I got 4 and nothing. So I'm going to just drop my 4. And bam, there you have it. Let's get our commas in here, right? So I got my first comma right there and my second comma right there. And your answer is 4,609,964 disputes that Rhett Rhino's dad right up here has solved. And hey, that's a whole lot of problems for him to be solving. That is fantastic. Hey, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way here, no worries at all, my friend. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 21, 24, 27, 30, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counted by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.